So Zach just showed up. He's going to be helping me build this computer today. It's kind of ridiculous. I kind of just like gave him my debit card and he went to town. So I know I'm in good hands. Zach's going to be
a lot of work, but we're going to get it done. It's going to be fun, hopefully.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. And
hopefully we won't kill each other.
Yeah. You know, maybe. So, and the cool thing is actually this video that I'm filming right now is going to be the first video I'm editing on this computer. So it's going to be fun. First though, actually, more importantly, we can't work on an empty stomach, so we're going to go grab some lunch. Alright, we just got the food. Got a bunch of food. Keeping it safe. Alright, we're gonna head back to the house, enjoy some food, and get working. So, Zach and I, we just went to the... Actually, you should hold this because it's not safe. No vlogging and driving. No vlogging and driving. So, this is kind of crazy. Alright, so this is the first time it's happened to me. Zach's saying that it has happened to him before.
Every time.
Every time, apparently. So we just went to the liquor store. We were picking up some beer, and I guess, so we walked in together. I was just buying the beer, and the woman behind the counter said, "Oh, can I see both of your IDs?" Now, like, that's the first time I've ever heard that, all right? So I'm like, I asked her, I was like, "Oh, like, is that real?" And she's like, "Oh, you don't see the sign right there?" And like, there's a sign, but I'm like, I'm thinking to myself, like, no, I'm paying. I'm not reading while paying. Like, no, I'm looking at you. So
she just like 100% got so rude.
Yeah, so all of a sudden she's like, she was very rude about the whole situation. And like, maybe, I'm sure she catches flack from young guys and young girls all the time. So like, understandably, you know, whatever. But like, but that's like, you know, forgetting the woman who was being rude. That does seem like an invasion of privacy. Like, why is there a need to know about the person I'm walking in there with? Like, always question authority. Now, back to driving. All right, this food smells so good. All right, I got a Reuben. Zach got the Italian. We got some tasty fries.
Most importantly.
Oh yeah. Yep, can't build a computer without alcohol.
Of course not. Yo, what's going on? We're building a computer now. So,
Yep.
Here's all the products that Matt bought with his own money. Sponsored by Intel.
I wish. Make this whole thing a lot cheaper. So we just finished eating. My sandwich was pretty good. How about yours?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. But for now, we're gonna start laying everything out, just making sure everything's good to go. So yeah, maybe I'll do a top-down shot. So enjoy. Zach, so what are we doing now?
We are putting the power supply in, so where all the cables come from, basically.
Alright. So we changed it up a little bit. We wound up actually installing the what is it, liquid cooled system?
Yeah.
Cooling system. So we just installed that. Got a good connection. It's looking good. So the next thing we're gonna do is install the power supply to the case. Where are we at now?
We are almost ready. The keep that in there, the big boy. And then we'll be done with this.
Cool. And then we're gonna. Where's the hard drives? We have the.
Right now, but
We have the hard disk drive in there.
here, we can put it up.
So just installed that. Got the wires going into it. So we're also running. Zach's been running all the cables into the power supply. Just figuring out how that goes. And so what's next on our list?
We gotta make sure that there's nothing in here that we gotta plug into this.
Okay.
So I don't think you don't have lights or anything, so probably not. But just wanna make sure. Cool. You're good. All right, let's get this thing in.
Cool. That's all motherboard stuff, right?
Yeah.
Cool. So we just had an awful time getting the cooling system in. The radiator wasn't fitting with the fans. So here's how we figured this out. We pulled up a video and the guy was like, "Oh, you just install it."
Yeah.
Here's how we figured it out. We just looked at a picture that was on the box and you could see how it's supposed to be configured. So, all right.
Hopefully we'll forget about this day eventually.
Yep, hopefully. I hope this thing's worth it. So, all right, on to the next thing. All right, bye. So, we've made a lot of progress in totally destroying my room, but that's okay because now we're getting ready to put the GPU in. We got the motherboard in, we got everything in, we got all the wires connected, we hope. So now we're gonna be putting this bad boy in, the 2080 Ti. It's gonna be awesome. So we're gonna put that in and then hopefully we start booting up. So yeah.
That's good.
Alrighty. So this is the big reveal. You ready? You ready? Oh my goodness. Look at this thing. Look at this. Oh my goodness. That's pretty. Oh my goodness. Super sleek. Got the couple of buttons. Got the one button up top. Got a couple ports. This is the OS it's running right now. This is just the MSI OS that's built into the motherboard. What do you think?
We do good work.
Yeah. So right now,
What time is it right now?
it is 8 o'clock. We started around what, like 2 o'clock, maybe 1:30.
Yeah.
So
That's not
we
bad.
built a computer
That's
in a
not
day. At this point, we're waiting for Microsoft to download on, or not Microsoft. We're waiting for Windows 10 to download onto a flash drive, and then we're gonna just boot up using that. We're gonna install everything. I may make a follow-up video just like showing everything once it's up and running. I'm sure we're gonna
Premiere,
yeah.
After Effects, all that.
Yeah, we're gonna want to run some tests.
Yeah.
I'm gonna want to put it through its paces. So, yeah, but this is pretty awesome. So, keep you updated. 6.
Okay.
So, yeah. Alrighty, and it's booting up right now. So, thanks for watching. And wait, before I close it out, thank you, Zach,
Of course.
for helping.
Yeah.
So, until next time.